The months of October, November, and December are the best time of year to buy a new car. Here's a list of the best car buying and leasing incentives and hidden deals for November. Plus, at the end, my advice on saving even more. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix. If this is your first time to the channel, we give you more than car reviews and first looks at new vehicles. We give you car smarts because we believe knowledge is power. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell so you don't miss anything. This month, most car makers have restarted full production. And while used car prices are beginning to drop off a bit from their peaks, 2021 models are rolling into dealers, and that means there are deals. However, there is a bit of worry among the dealers in regards to inventory piling up, which means November could be a decent month for a good deal. Currently, there are over 1 million leases that are coming in on return, and they're due in the next couple months, and that means certified pre-owns or CPO vehicles can be a good deal for you. And if your lease is due, you can also extend your lease for a few months and wait for better deals in the spring. And if you're deferring, contact your leasing company, don't go to the dealer. For November, many car makers have restarted full production, and inventories are starting to increase, while used car prices are beginning to drop off from their peaks. This is good if you're looking for a used car because the prices were 10 to 15% higher. And although the inventory is still light on used cars, as a result, new vehicles are coming into the dealers, which means there are some good deals. And you don't want to overlook some of these incentives we're going to give you because huge discounts and incentives are being seen, and that's good. Huge discounts or incentives are not really being seen this month, but there still are some really good incentives available. Most manufacturers are now offering payment deferrals along with 0% financing and some up to 84 months plus cash back. Although some of these have been reduced recently, many have also introduced a loyalty bonus or a conquest discount. So if you have a lease return coming up, you could put an extra $1,000 to $2,000 back in your pocket. Acura. Good lease deals on almost every model. BMW 0.9% to 3.9% financing for up to 36 months, up to $1,500 cash back on some models, and hidden dealer incentives up to $3,500. FCA, which is Chrysler, Dodge, and Ram, has cash rebates up to $3,000 on some models, 0% financing up to 72 months, and hidden dealer incentives up to $1,000. Ford and Lincoln, 0% financing on most models, rebates as high as $3,500 on some models. General Motors, which includes Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac, up to $5,000 cash back, 0% financing on leftover models, and up to $6,000 on some of their other leftover models. Honda, 0.9% to 2.9% financing on some models, and a hidden dealer incentive up to $1,000 on some of their leftover models. Jeep, cash rebates up to $7,000 on some models, 0% financing up to 72 months. Hyundai, up to $2,500 cash back, and if they've got an older model on the lot, you'll get even more money, plus 0.9% to 4.9% financing on some models. Infiniti has excellent lease deals on their Q50 and Q60 models. Kia offers lease deals on most models, cashback rebates as high as $6,500. Lexus has cash rebates up to $7,000 on some models, great lease deals all across the board. Mazda is offering rebates up to $3,000 on most models. Mercedes-Benz, 1.9% financing for up to 36 months on some models. Nissan is offering 0 to 4.9% financing on some of their leftover vehicles and up to $5,000 rebates on some of their newer models. Toyota, 0% to 3.9% financing on most models, rebates as high as $2,000 depending on the region, and a hidden dealer incentive up to $4,000 on some of their leftover models. Volkswagen is offering mostly good lease deals across the board with $239 a month deals. My advice right now, if you don't need a car anytime soon and have the luxury of waiting until December, you may want to wait because there's going to be increased manufacturer incentives. More vehicles will be coming on dealer lots, and that's good for you. Consumers are starting to spend again, and they are more comfortable with buying vehicles online at places like cargurus.com. It's just an easier way to buy a car, but you never have to leave your home. But don't forget to take a test drive. That's critical. Get more car smarts in my book. The link is down below, Lauren Fix's Guide to Loving Your Car. Don't forget to check out our website, Car Coach Reports in English and Spanish. We have some wonderful contributors and you'll love their content. If you got value from this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. We love your comments and we do reply. Follow me on all forms of social media for some really cool new stuff you won't see anywhere else at Lauren Fix. We give you the best prices and more automotive information because we want you to have car smarts. Thank you so much for supporting Car Coach Reports on our Patreon page, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.